Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to install the JetBrains Mono font in Windows. So JetBrains Mono is a programmer-friendly font that have nice font style. So let's see how to install it. First of all, go to JetBrains website by searching JetBrains Mono in your web browser. So this is the website jetbrains.com. So in here what you have to do is download the font first. So now you can see my font is downloaded. Let me move it to my fonts folder. So after that what you need to do is right click and extract the files. So here I'm using WinRAR for extract the files. After extracting the file, go to this TTF folder. So in here select all the fonts and go to start and go to settings. So in here search for font. You can see this font setting, so click on this. So now what you have to do is drag and drop this selected font. So I'm going to drag and drop all these fonts to this rectangle. Now you can see fonts are installed. So let's see if we can change this Notepad++ font to the installed font. So now you see that here we have JetBrains Mono font. So if I change it to this, you can see the font is changed to JetBrains Mono. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.